Fucking one Rancher Slideshow!
I'm here, son. Dad, look out! Get away from my boy! Get away! Hey! The mighty Edward! Tic-tac?
Oh, fired!
Just hold on there, buddy. My son did not take your kid. You were the one that left him
Spooky
behind.
wanted ratter.
Release the child.
Okay.
Sweetheart, oh, Kirby, I'm so happy to see you, my darling.
Well, at least they're back together. That's
Got the kid.
You have violated intergalactic law 9.
Arr, it happened to be.
Punishable by immediate particle disintegration.
Oh, snap.
What's that? I don't quite.
Melvin, honey, he's saying they're telling the truth. It was just a misunderstanding.
Well, then, this is awkward, huh?
Yes, it is.
I suppose. Yes.
Now put them down
Joe's brother.
and turn
Shadow's
to
uncle.
I don't.
Cause it's uncle.
But I don't get to use the big
Checks,
voice
baby.
Yes.
Stop next. Grandma. Taco man. No.
Anyone want to try the big voice? Again, I cannot tell you how sorry we are for this whole misunderstanding.
Oh, dear goodness, we are so very sorry.
Yes, we are. And if it hadn't been for your son there, well, we might have vaporized the whole planet. What?
Oh, my goodness, what a shame that would have been.
Tell 'em.
I mean, where else would we have picked our acorns?
We stop here every summer on the way to the in-laws.
Every year.
Oh, yeah. Looked on all the other planets. You can only find them right here on Earth.
Just as it says here on your primitive graphic display.
That caught our eyes.
Okay, everything's been put back to normal. Except for this one over here.
Hi, y'all.
Foxy?
She got her brainwaves a little scrambled during reconstitution, but no worries, we can put her back the way she was.
No. She's perfect.
Lollipop, lollipop.
Scary.
Whoops. Darling, look at the time. We better get a move on. All right, then. It was good meeting you. Sorry for the whole full-scale invasion thing. But, hey, I'm a dad. You know how it is with your kids. When they need you, you do whatever it takes.
Ah, there goes that panel again. Every year we come here, this thing falls off. Seriously, honey, someday it's going to hit somebody on the head.
Oh, nonsense.
You can't return the panel, can you?
No, that's ridiculous.
You threw away the receipt again.
Sons!
Melvin, did you just try and use the big voice on me?
Who are we talking about? So, I'd like to see the movie they make about you now.
I just hope they stay true to what really happened.
Oh, son, these people are from Hollywood. One thing they will never
Let's
do
see.
is mess with a good story. Red alert! Man your battle stations. Status report, Mr. Fish.
Commander Little, the evil Foxy army has broken through the planet's atmosphere.
Watch the movie. What happened to the App Store? Never ever again.
Call me Ace.
Oh, Ed.
No.
I never intended to bring you into this. Abby.
Runt, your copy.
Yes, Commander.
Runt, my friend, an alien fleet is about to invade Earth. Civilization as we know it depends on me.
The spooky wanted return.
So I've just got one question for you. Are you ready to rock?
Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low.